Evaluate integration x square by x to the power 4 plus 1 dx. How to evaluate? Integration half, then 2x square x to the power 4 plus 1 dx. Now half, we can write it x square plus 1 plus x square minus 1 by x to the power 4 plus 1 dx. Now half x square plus 1 by x to the power 4 plus 1 dx, plus we can write half x square minus 1 by x to the power 4 plus 1 dx. Then we can take common x square. তাহলে 1 plus 1 by x square. Here we can take common x square plus 1 by x square plus half dx plus half x square 1 minus 1 by x square by x square plus 1 by x square dx. Half integration 1 by 1 plus x square by x minus 1x এর whole square plus 2x 1 by x. It is the formula of a square plus b square. A minus b এর whole square plus 2ab. তাহলে x minus 1 by x এর whole square plus 2 into x into 1 by x dx. For second part, we will write half 1 minus 1 by x square by x plus 1 by x এর whole square minus 2x 1 by x. So it is another formula of a square plus b square equal to a plus b এর whole square minus 2ab. Now put x minus 1 by x equal to t. Differentiating both sides, we get 1 minus 1 by x square dx equal to dt. So for the first, we can write x 1 plus 1 by x square equal to minus 1 by x equal to minus 1 by x square. 1 by x differentiation minus 1 by x square, minus plus. So 1 plus 1 by x square dx equal to dt. So we can write here dt by t square plus 2. 2 means root 2 এর whole square plus half. We have to put x plus 1 by x equal to m. So differentiating both sides with respect to x and m, we get 1 minus 1 by x square, differentiation of 1 by x equal to minus 1 by x square dx equal to dm. So half dm by x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2. So it will be m square minus 2. So half, the formula for this, 1 by a, 1 by root 2 tan inverse x by a. X means t by root 2 plus half log of 1 by 2, 1 by 2 root 2, 1 by 2a. 2a means 2 root 2. X square minus a square, the formula for this. This is a square, m square minus root 2 whole square. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 root 2. 1 by 2 root 2 log mod of x minus a means m minus root 2 by x plus a. M plus 2 root 2 plus c. Now put the value of t and m. Tan inverse t means 1 minus 1 by x by root 2 plus 1 by 4 root 2 log m means x minus 1 by 1 plus x minus root 2 plus x plus 1 by x plus root 2 plus c. So 1 by 2 root 2 tan inverse 1 minus 1 by x by root 2 plus 1 by 4 root 2 log x plus 1 by x. Sorry, this one will be t means x minus 1 by x. It will be x minus 1 by x. X plus 1 by x root 2 by x plus 1 by x plus root 2 plus c. It will be x minus 1 by x. So you can simplify it. If you simplify 1 by 2 root 2 tan inverse x square minus 1 by root 2x plus 1 by 4 root 2 log x square plus 1 minus root 2x plus x square plus 1 plus root 2x plus c. So you can write it in proper way. Tan inverse 1 by 2 root 2 tan inverse x square minus 1 by root 2x plus 1 by 4 root 2 log x square minus root 2x plus 1 by x square plus root 2x plus 1 plus c. This is the final answer for this.